So we're going to look at wiring the Estop now. We got a lot of wiring to do, so pay really close attention to these parts, okay? So the Estop will run the live cable through this, okay? So this one, we put 2 of them per leg here. The live for the 12 volt just goes straight to the 12 volt, right? And then we have a live that goes to the Estop and then goes out to both the CO2 power supply and our 36 volt power supply that runs the steppers. The reason we do it that way is because if we hit this, it'll stop the laser, it'll stop the stepper drivers so we can manually push this over. When the stepper drivers are powered up, you cannot manually move this thing. Okay, it's stuck. And so we hit the Estop, it powers the stepper drivers down, and we can move this out of our way, you know, pull our hair out of it, whatever got stuck in it, right? Pull our finger out, and it turns off the CO2 so it stops burning through things, okay? The 12 volt will stay on though, and that runs like the exhaust, so it still pulls the smoke out, it runs the lights, runs a few other things, runs a water cooling system. So we kind of want those to keep running. So that's why we bypass the 12 volts. The 12 volt goes straight here. So on this Estop, there's 2 little connectors down here, okay?